Come join me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm in.
Come on.
Come really close to me.
Shh.
Yeah.
We don't want to do that. We don't want to get too close. It's a G-rated show. Shh.
Welcome,
Welcome everyone to the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show.
Yeah, this is fun. We are here at the auto shop. It is after hours, and believe it or not, we've sent everyone home.
Yes. Christmas Eve, the 24th of December, 2020.
2020, that's vision.
Yes. We thought we were going to have 2020 vision in 2020.
Oh yeah,
That
wait
didn't work
till
out.
2020 turns 21 and it starts drinking. You think this was bad? Woo!
That's funny. Come closer.
No, I don't want to. You bite. First of all, we want to wish everybody a happy holidays, and we know that our Hanukkah was just ended a few days ago, and again, happy Hanukkah to all of you that celebrate that, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart.
I'm gonna blush.
I just put lipstick all over you.
So we are getting to the end of the year, and state inspections. Here's a reminder for state inspections, and of course, if your license plates expire in December, you'll certainly want to get that taken care of quickly. We're running out of time.
Make sure that you do the inspection before your license expires.
Yes,
Your
otherwise.
state inspection, yeah. Go ahead.
So if you get your state inspection before it expires, we can renew that here at the auto shop, and then after 24 hours, you can renew your license online, and it's only $1, and you don't have to go to the DMV. If you wait until after it expires,
Oh, then you have to go to the DMV. However, I learned something. I learned that if you schedule an appointment for the DMV, then your chances...
that's for your license, your driver's license, not the license on your car.
Oh, I thought you had to... No, if you... Okay.
I'm getting the look.
Yeah, I'm giving him the look. No, if you wait until after the expiration of your state inspection, you still have to go to the DMV to register it again, right? To do that again?
Yeah, you go to the controller's office.
Oh, the controller's office. Okay, well, you still have to go someplace rather than being able to do it online.
And she's about to tell me where to go. So.
No, I'm not. All right, so next Friday,
Well,
January...
we're closed tomorrow.
Yes, we're closed the 25th, Friday the 25th, and we're closed January 1st, Friday, January 1st. So that means we have 3 days in a row off, 2 weekends in a row. Wow, what are we going to do? Go for a motorcycle ride.
Depends on the time. It's going to be really cold in the mornings, and my wife is from Canada, and she's still down here trying to thaw out.
True.
We can talk about cold feet, but
and so next week, I'm going to jump right in here. Next week, we are open, and because it's cold, and also when it's really hot in the summertime, come in and get your battery checked. We had a guy,
I wanted to give it away this time. You gave everything away last time.
We had a guy stranded outside our building. The vehicle stopped outside our building. What are the chances, right?
He bought a cheap battery, and the battery terminal broke off of his battery. I mean, it snapped. Right, he went over a bump, and the battery terminal came off the battery, and our guys, we were able to help him get his vehicle started and running again so he could take it home. Please stay away from cheap batteries. So they're not worth it.
He was fortunate that happened right in front of our building. However, not everyone is so fortunate. So have your battery checked so that you are not stranded someplace in a parking lot, especially late at night when it's really cold.
Or raining or snowing.
Yes.
That's when it's the worst.
That too.
Well, it's also not good when you just finished shopping and it's 100 degrees outside and the ice cream is melting.
And the butter is melting.
Because I like ice cream.
And I like butter.
Not a good time to have a bad battery. And it happens. It happens all the time. So, again, as a reminder, we have regular holiday hours all of next week with the exception of 2 Fridays in a row. And other than that...
We're done.
We're done?
Easy.
I think we're done. So,
Rest.
Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah,
Enjoy
Happy
being,
Holidays.
Enjoy being with friends and family, and
Stay off the sauce.
stay off the sauce.
Unless it's cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce. I thought that was Thanksgiving.
Well, they do that on Christmas, too.
All right, bye.
Bye, everybody.
Next time,
What are we doing next time?
another video.
Oh.